Hi, my name is Russ Sadikoff and I'm excited to welcome you to our newest listing at 545 North 19th Street in San Jose. This craftsman style home offers 3 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 baths within its 1,400 square feet of living space. You're centrally located near Japantown, where the streets are wide and each home has a character. You're also just minutes away from shops, restaurants, entertainment, and major freeways 880 and 101. So please, come on a tour with me of this turnkey home in one of Silicon Valley's best neighborhoods. Thanks for touring 545 North 19th Street with us today. If you have any questions or would like a private tour, contact us today.